Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as silver nitrate. Silver nitrate. Sil. Va. Ni. Trate. Silver nitrate. Silver nitrate is a highly reactive and corrosive compound. It can cause burns upon contact with skin and is toxic if ingested or inhaled. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about silver nitrate, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.